This video is designed to provide you with a step-by-step instruction for how to set up your web-based exercise app. Your rehab trainer will have sent you an email with a link to set up the app. Please open this email on the device that you plan to use the app on. Once you have opened that email, please click on the link that is provided. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, you need to save the link onto your home screen, which is the main screen where you open or access applications or apps. On an Apple device, please press the square with an upward arrow symbol at the bottom of your screen. If you're using an Android device, please click on the three dots at the top of your screen. A new menu will appear. Press Add to Home Screen and follow the prompts that are provided to add the exercise app icon to your home screen. Go back to your home screen or main page on your device. You will now see the exercise app icon. Please press this icon. You will now have opened the app. Please click this logo 3 times. Next, select the site London. Next, click on the box labeled email address. Type in the email address that was used by your rehab trainers to send you the initial link. Please go back to your email inbox. As a separate and automated email will have been sent to you from the app. Once you have opened that email, please copy the personalized one-time access code. If you do not receive this email, please check your junk or spam folder. Once you have copied this code, please return to the exercise app by going to your home screen and then pressing the app icon. Click on the code box and enter the code that you received. You will now see the home screen of the Cardiologica web-based exercise app. To enter your exercise information, click on the exercise icon. Then click the green circle with a white plus. Then select the date that you'd like to enter that activity for. You can then select the type of exercise you performed. You then want to input some information about the type of exercise that you did, such as the distance you went, the duration or how many minutes you performed the exercise for, as well as your average heart rate during your exercise session. You can also input your effort level, picking the number or words that best represent your effort level during exercise. You can input any notes that you'd like to share with your rehab trainer. You can do this by clicking the Notes text box and then typing in any information or comments you'd like to add. To save your exercise entry, click the green check mark on the left top corner of your screen. You will then be taken to a screen that gives you a weekly breakdown of your exercise information. To enter information around your steps, click the Steps button. Then click the green circle with a white plus. Select the date. Type in the number of steps and click the green check mark to save that entry. You will now see that your weekly step target has been updated. You can now track your activity and exercise using the exercise app. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your rehab trainer.